To call on Rebtel, start by downloading and installing the Rebtel app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your phone number and email address. You will receive a verification code via SMS, which you need to enter to activate your account. After activating your account, you can buy credits or subscribe to a calling plan that suits your needs. Rebtel offers various plans, including pay-as-you-go and monthly subscription plans. You can choose the plan that best fits your calling requirements and budget. To make a call, open the Rebtel app and dial the phone number you want to call. You can dial the number directly from the app's dialer or select a contact from your phone book. Rebtel also allows you to save your favorite contacts for easy access. Before making a call, ensure you have sufficient credits or an active subscription plan. You can check your balance and plan details from the app's dashboard. If you have insufficient credits, you can recharge your account or upgrade your plan. When you make a call, Rebtel connects you to the recipient's phone number using its global network of local phone lines. This ensures high-quality calls with minimal latency and interference. You can also use Rebtel to send SMS messages and make video calls, depending on the recipient's device and network capabilities. To get the best out of Rebtel, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A Wi-Fi or 4G connection is recommended for high-quality calls. You should also check the call rates and plans regularly, as they may change over time. Rebtel also offers various features, such as call recording and voicemail, which can be useful for personal or business purposes. You can access these features from the app's settings menu. In conclusion, calling on Rebtel is a straightforward process that requires a stable internet connection, sufficient credits, and an active subscription plan. By following these steps and best practices, you can make high-quality calls to anyone, anywhere in the world, using the Rebtel app.